Cell phone stand angle height adjustable LISEN cell phone stand for desk thick case friendly phone holder stand for desk, compatible with all mobile phones iPhone Pixel iPad tablet, 4 to 10 inches. Weighted anti-slip base. This cell phone stand for desk is equipped with a weighted base and an aluminum alloy rod that makes a lower center of gravity. Therefore, this cell phone stand is stable enough to support all smartphones, such as iPhone 11, 11s Pro Max, X Max, XR8, 8P, Note 10, 9s, 8 Plus, S10, S9, S8, Switch, iPad mini, iPad Air small tablet, F. Note, it might not suitable for devices over 10-inch. HEIGHT angle adjustable. This cell phone stand holder is in accordance with ergonomic design. The height can be easily adjusted between 7.1 inches, 8.5 in, 1.4 inches adjustable range. The angle is adjustable between 5 degrees 85 degrees, providing you comfortable viewing angle which helps to fix your posture and reduce neck and back strain. Tips: for big size devices, please lower the height and adjust a suitable angle to get better stability. Anti-slip design. The pad back and the bottom of this cell phone stand are fully covered by anti-skid silicone, which can provide maximum protection for your device from any scratches and slide. User-friendly design. There is a reserve charging hole convenient for you to charge your devices while using this stand. The circle design of cable organizer supports the cable management, no tangling worries. This phone pad will not cover the subtitle when you watch video. LISEN always aims at providing our customers a happy experience. We care about you. If the product arrives broken or get broken within 365 days, please directly contact seller NiceStop for satisfied solution. Any other problem like missing installation units, please also contact us. We sincerely care about every customer's shopping experience. Product including phone stand 1, screw 1, hexagon screwdriver 1. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.